Friends, in this video, we are going to see about the intussusception, which is the most common cause of intestinal obstruction up to 3 years of age. So let us see about the intussusception.
So let us see the intussusception. It is the most common cause of intestinal obstruction in the age group 5 months to 3 years, and it is more male predominant. That is, the ratio male is to female is 3:1, and the cause is 90% it is idiopathic, but some postulates are there. The most common postulate is lymphoid nodular hyperplasia, which causes intussusception, and the most common type of intussusception is ileocolic, whereas post-op and Henna-Cholin purpura, the most common type is the ileo-ileal, and intussusceptum and intussuscipient. So let us see what is intussusceptum. It is the upper portion of bowel which invaginates, and intussusception, as the name suggests, recipient. It is the lower portion into which the intussusceptum invaginates. Now the most important is the clinical features. Most common, the patient comes in the casualty or in your hospital with the complaint of colicky pain, with the legs and knees flexed with loud cries in a previously well child. And second most common clinical feature is the classical triad, which includes the pain in the right upper abdomen, blood or current jelly stool, and palpable sausage shaped abdominal mass, and also vomiting can be there. So this is the classical triad of intussusception, and to diagnose it, the USG is used, which is the most specific and sensitive test. And on USG you can see the target sign in transverse image, and also on contrast enema it shows the coiled spring appearance. And the treatment of intussusception includes air reduction, hydrostatic reduction. Hydrostatic reduction is commonly used in our pediatric ward, and if it is used along with the if it is used USG guided, then the success rate is up to 80 to 90%. And if there is contraindication to hydrostatic reduction, such as intestinal perforation risk is there, then surgical reduction we have to do. So this was all about the intussusception, which is most common cause of intestinal obstruction in the age group of 5 months to 3 years. Thank you. Spring appearance, which we have just discussed. So on barium study it shows a coiled spring appearance, and on USG it shows the target sign, which is also known as the donut sign. So these are the typical signs of intussusception.